Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a first move counter spin or a first move return spin. Looks like this. Goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's break that down. Starts off like a standard first move. We go semicircle and back. We're coming in side by side. Now it's like an open first move actually, because we're going to let go with the left hand. We're going to collect the full width of the lady's back with that right arm. As the lady's going back, the guy is actually going a little bit forwards. So we're getting well in front of the lady for this, because we're trying to get a feeling of having the lady back here so that we can bring her forwards and generate rotation in a return direction, because we're not really very well jointed to give a strong lead for this, so we're having to really work our entire frame. So from this position we're bringing the lady forwards, we're turning her to faces really as quickly as we can, because we're going to release and let her carry on that rotation as she drifts away, and then just catch at the end. You'll probably find you have enough speed of the lady moving away that the guy doesn't need to step back, because you're going to be ending up too far away if the guy does that. Obviously, fellas, if you need the step back, use it. In fact, if you give the lady a lot of oomph, so she's going really quick, you may even need to give a chase for the catch to end up the right distance away. All good, and something you can vary to match the feel of the music. We'll give you another view, and this time we'll do it with some numbers. So we go back on 1, in on 2, open up preparation 3, spinning away 4, and catching 5. So let's try it together. Here we go. To a count. 5, a 6, first move counter spin. We go a back, in, open, return spin, catch, and that is it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another move. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end, and as always, thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.